Welcome, guys. So, the thing that is trending for past 24 hours in India is chess and chess Olympiad. So, after a dramatic end, the chess Olympiad came to an end, and India and Russia both were declared joint winners of the chess Olympiad, and both the teams got the gold medal. So, if we look at this, so PM Narendra Modi congratulated India, and President, Home Minister, and lots of big celebrities congratulated India. It was a big moment. I think we had won a silver medal in the past in Olympiad, but we have never won a gold medal uh, in chess Olympiad. Actually, this is Mr. Vishwanathan Anand's first gold medal in Olympiad. So, you know, he's a legend. So, this is a big opportunity, or not opportunity. This is a big occasion for India. The players played like they were in a great form. So, if you look at the final match, so the format is like you have two rounds, and each round will consist of six matches. And to win, the match, one team has to win both the rounds. So what happened in the first round? It was all draws. Like all the matches, all six of the matches were drawn. So it was 3-3. Now started a second round. So in the second round, let's see if I can find something. I don't think so. In the second round, I think of Mr. Vishwanathan Anand with Gujarati, and one more player drew their matches, and three matches were still going on. Divya Deshmukh's match, Nihal Sarin's match, and Humpy G's match. So three matches were going on, and then suddenly something happened. There was an internet outbreak, not outbreak, internet outage in the like, in several parts of the world. So like it wasn't chess.com's fault. Some cloud storage services were affected, and chess.com was using one of those services. So Nihal Sarin and Divya Deshmukh's time ran out because of that, and Nihal Sarin's position was like equalish, but Divya Deshmukh was in a strong position at the time, and Humpy G's position was also like it wasn't good, but she wasn't losing, but she lost 18 seconds of her match, and then at the end she lost the match. But she wasn't affected that much, but her 18 seconds of her match were gone, and Nihal Sarin and Divya Deshmukh's all of the time was gone for both of them. So it was very unfortunate. Then India filed a petition with FIDE, and then I think there were three members in the committee, but one of the member was he was representing Russia, and Russia was in the final, so he was set out of that committee. So uh, two people looked into the matter, and I think like as I said, three matches were already drawn, and like in two of the matches India were equalish or winning. So I don't know, like these were the criteria that were told in the public, and then they decided to announce India and Russia as the co-winners of the Olympiad. Like it was a good decision in my opinion, like a very bookish decision. Like it wasn't. I mean, people were not expecting it, but it was a bookish decision. It wasn't like, and it was the most fair decision in my opinion. Like you can't rematch all the six boards. Like Humpy, she lost. Yeah, she lost 18 seconds, but and then she lost the match, and then three matches were already drawn. So like we couldn't expect to, you know, to get six all the rematches on all the boards. So it wasn't like good. So I think it was a good decision, and I think Russia took it well. To be honest, there were some tweets after the match like India didn't win Olympiad, they didn't win a single match in the final. Still, they got gold medal and all of these things. But I mean, this is the rule. Okay, they win the Olympiad. Like FIDE announced Russia and India as the co-winners. That means yes, they win the Olympiad. You can't say that India didn't win the Olympiad. Just FIDE just gave it to them. You can't say that. They did win the Olympiad. That's why they got the gold medal. That's why Russia and India are the co-winners. So and they were both deserving actually. India and Russia both played well throughout the tournament. There were times where India were under pressure, and like the juniors, especially Mr. Vishwanathan Anand said himself, like the juniors performed really well under pressure. That's why India reached in the final, and in the semi-final actually we got Armageddon between I think Monica Sochako and Humpiji, where Humpiji like played really well under pressure. So what Armageddon is, if like both the rounds, if one team, like both the teams won each round, one round, then it goes to the tiebreaker, which is Armageddon, where there are four boards like men, women, junior man, junior woman, I think, and the organization will choose one board. Then teams already chose four players for each board. Then the organization will choose one board, and on that board the game will be played. And other rule is if you are white, then you have to win the match to reach into the next stage. But if you are black, then you just have to draw or win to reach in the next stage. So that's the rule. And I think Humpy G was black in the Armageddon, and the Polish player, I think the player from Poland was white. So Humpy G just had to draw the match to reach in to help India reach into the final. But she played really well. She was really calm. Like as we saw on the face cam, she was really calm and composed, and she won the match actually. She won by checkmate. She played really well. I think in the starting, Poland player made a mistake. I think one or two mistake, and she realized it. Like she was showing the emotions on her face. Like, oh, okay, I made a mistake. So it was a great victory, I think. And this is, I think, this is the first time I ever seen chess, you know, getting so much popularity. So many people tweeted after the win, Anand Mahindra ji, Harsha Bhogle ji, and Sachin Tendulkar, and all of these big players and big celebrities tweeted after the win and congratulated the Indian team. And like this is a very proud moment, as we have given chess to the world. And so I mean, we should be good at it, I think. And, and I might be wrong, but we should be good at it, and we are good at it. There are lots of talent of chess in India. We just have to, nurture them more. We have to make it more popular so that players get more motivation to play good games. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And congratulations to all the players of the Indian team, Indian chess team, and hope we get these more and more medals in the future. So yeah, thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.